This video tutorial I will explain mapping relational databases to MongoDB. Here you can see SQL terms or concept. Here you can see MongoDB terms or concept. Database in MongoDB is equivalent to database in RDBMS. Collections in MongoDB is equivalent to tables in RDBMS. Documents in MongoDB is equivalent to rows in RDBMS. Fields in MongoDB is equivalent to columns in RDBMS. Fields are stored in document, and documents are stored in collection, and collections are stored in database. And fields are nothing but key value pairs. And documents will be in the BSON structure. It's same like JSON structure. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.